have great commentary on this.
Yeah. Look at that tail.
Catmentary.
Attack, Shepherd, attack! Please.
One of you attack, please. Oh. Oh.
He's just scratching.
No, I don't think
Wait.
he's just stretching. What a cute butt.
Look at that kitty butt. Get that. Oh, attack the birdie. Attack the birdie.
Your leg is touching mine and it felt ticklish. They're like staring at each other and then looking back at the TV. They're saying we should do this. We should attack those
I want
birds.
them to jump at the same time.
Oh my god,
Attack
yes,
each
please.
other.
Come on, cats. We believe in
Come on,
you.
kitties.
Attack the birds. Wow, we're so bored that we're videotaping our cats looking at birds.
Yep.
We seriously need to put a GoPro on these cats when we set them out.
Mm-hmm.
That would be so cool.
Coronavirus got us watching our cats watch birds.
I know. It's crazy.
This is how much time we've got to kill.
Well, I don't really have time to kill because I've procrastinated so much homework, but like...
I mean, same though, but also like...
Did you ever finish that essay for English?
No, but it's not due yet.
Mine was due like 2 weeks ago and
It's
I
due
haven't
the
finished
13th.
it. Dude, mine was due like 2 weeks ago and I haven't finished it.
I just need to finish some math and chem. Which I was planning on doing
Dude,
this
I
week,
haven't
but
even-
then I was tired the
I haven't even started the essay. Oops.
big oof.
Maybe I should become a YouTuber.
Dropped out of
They
school.
seem to make a lot of money. And they get to hang around and have fun.
Yo, one of you attacked the damn TV. Alright, I'm gonna delete. You're still recording. Have you done this all in one video?
Nope. It's like 4 different videos now. Oh, Shadow, you meowed.
See, they're not doing anything, so every once in a while I delete the video.
I'm mostly recording it for our fantastic or catastic commentary.
Oh yeah, we have great commentary. This is
Catmentary.
our vlog now. This is our podcast.
Catmentary.
This is our podcast.
Dude, maybe we should start a YouTube channel.
Yes.
Just during this coronavirus time, and if it goes viral, then we'll keep doing it.
Come on, Shep, you got it.
Oh, Shepherd!
Oh.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Neela, make sure he doesn't kill any of the glass stuff.
Oh, Shepherd, you're not allowed up there.
There's also a bunch of wires he might chew on.
I think he's fine for now. Alright.
He's just looking for those birds, bro.
Oh, oh, oh,
Oh my god.
oh my
There's
God.
a lighter right there, Neela. Oh.
Oh.
Oh my god. This is gonna be the first video we upload. And they're just gonna hear us talking and watch these funny cats.
Yes, just chatting and watching our cats watch birds.
Oh my god. Neela, get the lighter away from him.
Alright. Alright. As you were.
Ship's like, now I don't care about going up.
You know, he's like, okay, how is this gonna work?
Well, cat always land. Oh!
Oh.
Oh! Oh my god. Is he gonna do it?
Yes, alright. Do it, do it.
Oh my god. My lighting kind of sucks, but that's okay.
Same. We need a bird on his side of the screen so he can attack it. He's like, how is this gonna work?
Oh man, Shepherd's going back
No.
down.
Maybe he's gonna go to the other side.
Oh my god. Probably is.
Oh!
Shadow. Can our cats become famous, please?
Yes!
Okay, I'm gonna
Come on,
figure
Shadow,
out
we're
how
trying
to.
go viral here.
Mila, I'm gonna figure out how to post something to YouTube today.
I know how to post something to YouTube.
You do?
Yeah.
Can you teach me?
Sure, it's not that difficult. Look at that.
Oh my god!
Come on, Shadow.
Oh my god!
Oh my god.
Oh my god!
Oh my,
Oh my god! Oh my god, she's gonna fall!
Oh, you got it.
Oh my god. My cat is going to fall and hurt herself. My non-gender cat is going to fall and hurt itself.
Hi.
Or gender fluid cat. Right? It's a gender fluid cat.
Well, now we can't post it on YouTube.
Why?
Because that's a bit controversial.
We can be controversial. Who's gonna watch our
A mini
videos?
controversy.
Neither will probably be the only ones watching our videos. No one will watch our videos. Except for maybe our friends. That's about it.
Attack.
No, watch. Someone posts this random video.
Oh.
Mila, someone posts this random video on Twitter and they're like, these girls don't even know what they're talking about. I'm like, okay.